Let's go over how to create a VHS Rewind effect in After Effects. I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by identifying where you want the rewind effect to begin. Once you've decided, move your playhead to that point in the timeline. Select your video layer and press Ctrl plus Shift plus D or Command plus Shift plus D on Mac to split the layer. This separates the section of the clip where the effect will happen. Next, duplicate the section you just split by selecting it and pressing Ctrl plus D or Command plus D. With the duplicated layer selected, right-click, go to Time, and choose Time Stretch. Now, input a negative value in the stretch factor. Larger numbers mean a slower rewind effect, while smaller numbers will speed it up. Once that's done, line up all your clips on the timeline to ensure everything flows smoothly. Now, let's add some VHS-style distortion. Right-click in the timeline, hover over New, and select Adjustment Layer. Position this layer above the reversed clip and make sure its duration matches the reversed section. To achieve the retro look, we'll use a plugin called Sapphire. If you don't already have it, you'll need to install it. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for TV damage and drag it onto your adjustment layer. In the Effect controls, reduce the reception master value to around 0.2. This creates the glitchy reception effect typical of VHS tapes. Then increase the fast-forward amount to enhance the rewind distortion. Finally, for added realism, you can layer on another effect like VHS flicker, which mimics the subtle light variations seen in old videotapes. When you're done, play back your video to see the full effect. Adjust any settings as needed to perfect the look. And there you have it, a clean VHS rewind effect with a retro twist. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.